Yo, do you guys play Cookie Run Kingdom? Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version for iOS and Android. So this works in 2026, so keep watching the video. I'm going to show you guys how to download it so you can get unlimited diamonds and stuff. It's super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys exactly. Alright, so I'm going to open up Cookie Run Kingdom and just show you guys. So as you can see, I'm broke, but when I press this button, I can actually turn on unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn it up and let's see if the gems go up, and then I'm going to show you how to download this Cookie Run Kingdom hack so you can get unlimited gems as well. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, I only got 600 right now. Really pathetic, but you know, it should start rising. So let's see if it goes up, and as you can see, there we go. So I'm going to show you how to download this to your device. Works 2026 iOS and Android. So let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website. So it's called tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site, guys, just find Cookie Run. Go ahead and press install. So before this downloads, it's going to be like a verification thing where you got to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. So it's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So at the end, it's going to say like missing files or something. So I just got to download some of these. All right, so let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, we should be all set, guys. So I'm just going to wait for this to download and we should be good to go. So at the end, it's going to say like missing files. So you just want to download some of these. We got like Travel Town. This one's like download, reach level 9. So just go to the App Store, play this till I'm level 9. So just do 2 of these and you're going to be all set, guys.